Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and I received this in the mail, and I'm going to unbox it. So this is just going to be a quick switch unboxing video. And then I have a special accessory that I'm going to be reviewing and looking at that'll come out on Tuesday. So, and it goes kind of hand in hand with this. So let's get started. The box it was in, it was kind of loose, so it was just kind of banging around, and I hope it's okay. Plug it in, set it up. All right. Looks like we have the Joy-Cons. Blue and kind of an orange. Just cool because my favorite color is orange. Got those. Here's the unit itself. Ooh, the packaging's kind of torn where that was. Looks perfectly fine though. Okay, here's health and safety info, HDMI cable, some Joy-Con straps, Yep. Oh, yeah, it's even magnetic in that. Cool. Let's see. Oh yeah, you just press these to release. And this must be the dock. Very nice. Kind of like the original, or it has a compartment to hide the cords. And cool. Power brick, USB-C, and a USB-C cable. Okay, I'm going to kind of set it up and I'll be right back. Okay, I set it up. I kind of transferred from my other switch to this one. It seemed to have worked. And I also put this amFilm screen protector on it. I'll link down in the description. It has a very easy installation method, this tray that you've seen maybe on some Spigen stuff. And now it looks like amFilm's doing it. It makes it so easy to line up and everything. So that was cool, and it was really good price for tempered glass. I think it was like $8 for two. There we go. And I downloaded Mario Kart World, since this was the version without it. So I ended up paying a little more. Well, I ended up paying a little more anyway because I won this on eBay. I don't know if it was winning, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's really slick. I've noticed the screen size difference. In fact, I'm going to go grab the regular Switch as a comparison. Okay, as you can see, I grabbed a little more than just the Switch. But, I mean, yeah, the difference is quite incredible. Here, as compared to the Legion Go, the Legion Go is a behemoth. And here is the original MSI claw. Yes, I was one of those who bought the original MSI claw. But, you know, it's not really that bad of a unit. They improved it over time, and it's not bad. I enjoy it. Yeah, here the screen seems a bit bigger, yeah, than the claw. But yeah, the Legion Go, it's known for its behemoth screen. So, and if you want me to try any like eGPU benchmarks or anything with these other handhelds, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Now, mentioning an eGPU, I do have a Thunderbolt unit, also the Aoster, what is it, AG02 or something like that. But yeah, I can plop any of my graphics cards in there and hook them to these and try them out too if you want me to. Oh, okay, that was July 4th, 5th. But before the fireworks start, I need to finish this. But yeah, as you can see, there's quite a difference in even heft. And yeah, I like these magnetic, so slick. So yeah, that is the Switch 2. I just thought I'd do a little unboxing and comparison in size, and it's a pretty cool unit. And then I look forward to testing it with this mystery accessory that I'm going to come out with a video on Tuesday. So anyway, if you want me to do anything with this in the future, leave a comment below too. I guess that wraps everything up. I unboxed it and showed it off. So have a very, very excellent day or night or whenever you're watching this. And thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. And that's it. See you in the next one. Thank you.